you should always do a plot if you can. Important thing here, this is not a bar chart, this is not a frequency bar chart, but it is a value graph, which is a different thing again. It's a handy thing to use because you can see something here, but it's not a bar chart because all it's plotting are those values. It is another useful way to get an overview of data. Okay, so first of all, when you look at that, you see there's this big spike there. It's pretty hard to miss. Okay, so what you can see, there's this one value, it's just way, way higher, and that's what's causing Beth's average to be higher than Amy's. But if you look on every other observation, Amy has actually done better than Beth. So if you look here, if you look at the data, you can see better, 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 way worse, better, better, better. So who is the better salesperson, Amy or Beth? And who do you want to reward? And is this a real piece of data or is it a mistake? And that's one of the problems. It could be a mistake, or it could be like something amazing happened. A cruise ship came in and bought everything she had, or her grandfather bought everything, or something like that, something that's not going to happen again. Either way, do you want that to affect their assessment of their selling ability? And I'm not telling you any answers because there aren't any, but it's the sort of thing that if you're in a management position and you're given data, you need to be able to make these sorts of decisions, or at least be aware that there are things like this that can happen. Do you want to reward consistency, or do you want to reward someone who's generally not as good but gets this one event that's better? And the other thing too is that you might actually check, it might just be a typo. Somebody's finger pressed a 1 or whatever it is. You've got 257, maybe they bumped the 2 and it should have just been 57. So there's all sorts of things that can go wrong there in data.